Hello guys, how you all doing? Welcome to your Python programming tutorial videos, and in this video we are going to be looking at Python comparison operators. Now I'm going to be showing you guys several examples on how to declare and use Python comparison operators. Now Python comparison operators are very popular because they are used with the while statement and conditional statements like the if else, which are part of almost every serious program you write in Python. Alright, so let's get straight into the video. We are going to be looking at comparison operator. Now, comparison operators are what we call binary operators, which means they have two operands. Like the previous videos we have done, you understand what a binary operator is. It has a left operand and a right operand. Now, comparison operators will compare both operands and will decide on the relationship between those two operands. Hence, they are known as relational operators. Now, it can either evaluate, when you use a comparison operator between two operands, it can either evaluate to true if the operands agree with the operator, otherwise they return false, as we are going to be seeing in the examples below. Now, these operators will always return a Boolean value. It means they will always return true or false. Now, below are a list of the different relational operators and a brief description. Now, equivalent operator. Now, equivalent operator compares both the left operand and the right operand and returns true if they are equal. So it's like saying is left operand equal to right operand. Now, not equal to operator now will return true if the left operand is not equal to the right operand, otherwise it's going to return false. Now, the greater than operator is going to compare the left operand and the right operand, is going to return true if the left operand is greater than the right operand, otherwise it will return false. The less than will return true if the left operand is less than the right operand, otherwise it will return false. The greater than or equal to operator will return true if the left operand is greater than the right operand or equal to the right operand, otherwise it will return false. Now, the less than or equal to will return true if the left operand is less than or equal to the right operand, otherwise it will return false. Now, here we have a sequence assignment statement. Here we are using A, B, C, D, E. We are assigning it to another sequence 2, 3. Now, this is like a tuple. We have done tuple on the previous video. This is like a tuple. Now, if you can also use this to declare tuples, but we are not using that here. Yeah, so tuples can be without their braces or not. All right, now, so A is equals to 2, B is equals to 4.6, C is equals to 12, and so on. Now, there's a comparison operator. We are saying if A is equals to B, is going to return true. In this case, if B is equals to E, is going to return true. So let's see. var1 will be what? Is A equal to B? No. So var1 will return false. Why? var2 will return true. Why? Because B is equal to E. So this is going to evaluate and is going to return true, while when this evaluates, it's going to return false back to var1. So var1 is going to be assigned the value 4 here, var2 is going to be assigned the value 3. Like we said, the comparison operator always return either true or false after they are evaluated. So here we have the same thing. Here C greater than A, we will check. C is greater than A. In this case, we are saying is A less than 12. In this case, we are saying 5 greater than 5. This is false. A less than E. So here you're going, if you can pause the video on your free time and check, here are the results. C is greater than A. Now A is greater than 12. 5 is not greater than 5. 5 is equal to 5. A is less than E, which is true. Now here are some more. We have is 6 greater than or equal to 8? No, 6 is not greater than 8 and 6 is not equals to 8. Is B greater than or equals to E? Yes, I think B is equal to E, even though B is not greater than E. So this will still return true because B is equal to E. Is D greater than or equals to D? No. D is not greater than or equals to D. So this will D is not greater than, but D is equal to D. So this will still return true to Linda. So now here are our outputs. We have 6 is greater than or equal to 8 false. Here we have B is greater than or equal to E, we have true. D is greater than or equal to D, we have true. All right, so we have some more here. Less than or equals to, less than or equals to, and less than or equal. Is 6 less than or equals to 8? True. Yeah. Is B less than or equals to E? True, because I think B is equal to E, something like that. Let's see. B is equals to E. B. Yeah, B is equals to E, even though B is not less than, but it's equals to E. Now, is D less than or equals to D? Yes, D is equal to D. Is 6 less than or equals to 8? 6 is less than 8, but 6 is not equal to 8. So it's still going to return true because one of the conditions hold. All right, so let's move to the next. Now we have the same stuff here. All right, so we have the same stuff here. Now, is 12 not equals to 4? If this is true, 12 is not equal to 4, so this is going to return true, so out 1 will be equal to true. Now D is not equal to 8, this is false because D is equal to 8, so this is going to return false back to out 2. So out 1 is true and out 2 is false. All right, so that was it on our Python comparison operator. I hope you learned a lot. We are going to be seeing a lot of the use of this operator when we study while loops, for loops, if state, that's conditional expression, that's if else statements, and the rest. So hope to see you in the next video. Have a nice time.